In this video, I will show you how to make a video black and white in Premiere Pro. First, make sure your video clip is in the timeline. Now, go to the project panel, right-click, hover over the New Item option and select Adjustment Layer. Keep the settings at default and click OK. This will create a new adjustment layer. Drag and drop it onto the layer above your video clip. Make sure its duration matches the length of your video clip. Now, select the adjustment layer and go to the Effects panel. Search for black and white, then drag and drop this effect onto the adjustment layer. As you can see, the black and white effect is now applied. Another way to do this is by using the Lumetri color effect. Drag Lumetri color onto the adjustment layer, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Basic Correction, find the Saturation option and turn it down to remove color from the video. And that is how you can make a video black and white in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.